Welcome to another tutorial on Do-It-Yourself Easy. In today's video, we will be talking about the moving average. This method is widely used in forecasting, especially when we need to identify trends in data that have many ups and downs. A moving average helps smooth out fluctuations, making it easier to spot the overall trend, particularly in sales data. However, it's important to note that moving averages are not always the best tool for every forecasting situation. They work well when the demand is relatively stable, but can struggle when there are outliers or significant seasonality. For more complex forecasting needs, tools like regression analysis might be more effective. That said, moving averages are a great starting point, especially for quick estimates or when you need a baseline for forecasting. Let's dive into today's example. We have sales data from July to December for a computer store. To calculate the moving average, we will start by averaging the first three periods: July, August, and September. First, let's do this manually, and then I'll show you how to do it using Excel's data analysis tools. For September, the first value will be calculated as the average of 5,200 July, 5,000 August, and 5,500 September, which equals 5,233. To calculate this in Excel, in cell G5, type equals average of, then select the range E4 to G4 and press Enter. This will calculate the moving average for September. Then for cell H5, type equals average open parenthesis, select the range F4 to H4 and press Enter. This will calculate the moving average for October. For the following periods, November and December, we can simply drag the formula to the right to calculate the moving average. Now that we've done this manually, let's use Excel's built-in tools to calculate it more easily. If the Analysis tool pack is not already enabled, go to your ribbon, right-click, and select Customize Ribbon. Then, under Manage, choose Excel Add-ins and press Go. Check Analysis tool pack and press OK. Once it's enabled, you'll see it in the Data tab. Click on Data Analysis, then choose Moving Average. Press OK. In the Input Range box, select the range of values you want to calculate the moving average for. This will be from E4 to J4 for our data. Next, choose the output range where you want the results to appear. I'll choose cell E6. You can skip the chart output and standard error options for now, but feel free to use them if you want. Once everything is set, click OK, and you should see the same values we calculated manually. Now to visualize this data, let's add a chart. Go to the Insert tab, select a 2D line chart, and right-click on the chart. Choose Select Data, then click Add. In the series name, type Historical Data. Use equal signs and quotation marks. For series values, delete everything after the equal sign and select the sales data and press OK. Next, go to Edit and select the dates to align them with the data. Then click OK. Now repeat the process for the moving average line. Right-click on the chart. Select Select Data. Then click Add for the moving average. Name the series Moving Average, and for the series values, select the moving average values from E6 to J6. Again, go to Edit for the axis and choose the dates, then click OK. Now you have two lines. One for the historical data and one for the moving average. As you can see, the moving average line smooths out the fluctuations in the historical data, making it easier to spot the overall trend. In this case, we see that the trend is positive, meaning sales are going up. I hope this video helps clarify how moving averages work and how you can apply them for simple forecasting. If you found this content useful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more.